Good morning. We're in Denver, Colorado,
and it's covering. Snow is covering the parking lot.
Yes, and we're sitting by the window, and the snow is just falling and falling.
I know.
I've never seen so much snow in my life. It's just so pretty, and it seems like it's Christmas, but it's spring.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
The Applebee's sign.
It looks like it's painted in white.
And the Marriott Residence Inn. The ceiling is just white.
I know.
And the trees look like Christmas trees with the snow on them. Well, stay warm.